Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Brain. My name is Sam, and in this video, I will show you the cannot connect to App Store problem fixed. First, ensure your internet connection is working. Then, open your iPhone settings. Tap on Wi-Fi. Tap on the info icon next to your Wi-Fi network name. Select Forget this network. Then confirm by tapping Forget. Turn off Wi-Fi. Then turn it back on and reconnect to your network. Next, check your mobile data settings. Go to Mobile Data. Tap on Mobile Data Options. Ensure that voice and data is set to use 4G or 5G, whichever is the strongest available network. Return to Settings and tap on General. Tap on Date and Time. Ensure that the time is correct and enable set automatically. Also, ensure that 24-hour time is enabled. Go back to the main settings menu and proceed to transfer or reset iPhone. If needed, perform a reset of your iPhone to ensure all settings are refreshed. Finally, open the App Store and check if the issue is resolved. That is it. Thank you very much for watching. Please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day.